Searle imagined a non-Chinese speaking person like me in a bare room with an instruction manual and a selection of Chinese characters. He then imagined someone who could speak Chinese to be outside the room, communicating with me via a series of messages written using Chinese characters.
Can you speak Chinese?
The messages are posted to me through a door. And I have to come up with a response, even though I don't understand a word of Chinese. Okay, I haven't got a clue what this says, but if I follow the instructions in this book, I should be able to give some sort of response to this question, which will make some sort of sense. So let's have a look. What have I got to find? It's kind of a little 1/x symbol. The instruction book tells me to find an exact match of the message on the top half of the page, and then to reply by copying the Chinese characters from the bottom half of the page. It's interesting, some of the characters in the question are appearing in the answer, which makes some sense. Gosh, I don't even know whether these are what way round to put these, but oh, there, that's looks like a little house with a roof on the top, and I just need this character here. Oh yes. Bingo. Who knows what I just said?
How do you speak Chinese?
Searle compared the person in the room making up the Chinese messages to a computer reading a bit of code.
Have you been to China? No, I haven't been to China, but would one day like to.
I'm just faking that I can speak Chinese. So just how convincing was I?
Yeah, your Chinese was perfect, actually.
But if we were online having a chat like that, you would have been convinced you were talking to...
Really would. I really thought you were someone who actually spoke Chinese.
The Chinese room, I think, is a really important thought experiment. Not for the answers it offers, but more for the questions it raises, because I certainly didn't understand a word of what I was writing down there, yet I seemed to be able to fake the fact that I was speaking Mandarin. And so if a computer's actually following instructions, isn't really thinking, is it? But then again, what is my mind doing when I'm actually articulating words now? It's following a set of instructions. So it really raises the question, where's the threshold here? At what point can you say that a machine is really genuinely understanding and thinking?